How many days can I ride this year? Hashtag 365 motorcycle.
And we're back! So today is the 15th. I am 15 for 15 so far on my riding. And yeah, I'm on Thumper today. Thumper is our BMW XX F650 GS. It's one of Mrs. Smith's bikes. And took Thumper out because I was having some issues with Thumper last time I rode him. I guess it's a him. And just wanted to take the bike out, see how it's doing. And so far, so good. It wasn't anything major. The clocks weren't working, and it was just a blown fuse. So, not a blown fuse, it was like a burnt out fuse, which is why I was a little bit more concerned. Yeah, so just going to get a beer now in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King. I was off today, did some yard work, put away the rest of the outdoor Christmas lights, a few things left, rake some leaves, drain the spa. You know, it was pretty productive day, and I just came back from Cycle Gear from returning a built dry bag.
My finger tells the story of what I said when I found out my dry bag had a busted seam.
That blew a seam. Probably the second time I used it on my trip to Tucson. Luckily it didn't rain. I glued it back with crazy glue and put some duct tape on it, but I don't really want to have a bag that's potentially going to leak if I'm on a trip where it might actually rain and my whole life's stuff might be in there. So yeah, that is that. I got a First Gear bag in exchange. It wasn't an equal exchange, but I don't know if I've said this before. My feeling about built gear is that, you know, it's not bad for in-town stuff, but it's not great if you're, if you need something to be reliable for like a longer distance trip. So, but I got a new bag, and I'm getting a beer, and then I gotta go to the gym. Love going to the gym. Love going. So, all right. Well, with that, peace out.
I got a double IPA called What by Revision Brewing Company.
And we're back. So today is the 16th. I am 16 for 16. And I am waiting for somebody to open the gate for me to leave because my bike will not set the sensor off. So, yep. Was gonna film coming in this morning, but was running a little bit late. So I figured I'd film on the way home, and it is dark. See, pretty much, one cool thing today. Got to go out on a boat today for work.
I didn't put a filter on this picture. It was actually that gray and overcast out the entire day.
Check out some field site project sites, and the boat was Honda powered by a Honda outboard motor, so that made me feel awesome. Even when I'm on the water, I am riding red, so my feet are so encrusted with mud, it is ridiculous. I mean, like an inch of mud on each of my boots, so now I know what it feels like to be an inch taller. Alright, well, trying to keep these shorter because I know 40 minutes video about absolutely nothing is not that enlightening, but so I'm trying. So, alright, well, with that, I'll save this here because we got the man here, Copper, on his bike. Alright, with that, peace out. And we're back. Today's Wednesday the 17th. I'm 17 for 17, commuting in on Thumper. That's our BMW F650 GS, and hopefully you can see from this video. Hopefully it's recording well enough. It's pretty foggy. The fog's so bad it's almost like driving in rain. So yeah, pretty much makes visibility not so good. There's the water on my visor. I constantly have to wipe with my hand. It's not big enough droplets that beat up and then fly off with the wind. So really not much to say this morning. I guess happy hump day. It's midweek. 2 more days of work. That's pretty much that. So like I said, commutes in and home. Pretty much not that exciting. So alright, well, with that, peace out. And we're back. So today is Thursday the 18th. I am 18 for 18 for riding this calendar year, and I am going home from the doctor in the rain, as you can see. I'll try to wipe this lens a few times. Yeah, nice steady rain, light drops. Like I said, I got a reasonable gear on, so I feel I'll make it home toasty. The weakest link in my armor all the time is my boots. I'm wearing my Built boots today, which are not really that waterproof, to be honest with you. And I've spoken about my Garnets before. So bottom line is, I really need to get some boots if I don't want to have wet feet. But I'm more concerned about that on long trips than I am on short little trips when I'm in civilization and can easily put on a dry set of socks and or change my shoes. So yeah, I'm on Thumper today. Wanted to get to work a little early today, so I didn't feel like taking young NC out and putting gas in because he's going to need gas. And Thumper had the cases on so I could bring all my work stuff, yada yada yada. So, and dare I say, I like Thumper, you know. Thumper is a BMW, not a Honda, but actually I really like this bike. It's Mrs. Smith's, I guess technically it's Mrs. Smith's bike, although I ride it most of the time now. And yeah, it's one of the bikes that we got a bunch of bikes, so it's one of the 2 bikes I don't mind taking out in the rain all the time. I don't know, you know, I haven't found that chains don't rust if you take the bike out in the rain all the time, even with lubing and drying and blah, blah, blah. Plus I can't really dry the bike at work. When I get home I can blow it off with a blower, but not at work. If it's raining all day on, it's raining all day. So alright, well, trying to keep these short because this really isn't that exciting. It's exciting for me though. I'd rather be on my bike than in the cage, even in the rain. I guess if it was torrential, you know, downpours and super cold, but it doesn't really get super cold in the Sacramento area, and even if it rains hard, I'm not that concerned about it. So alright, well, peace out. And we're back. So today is Friday. 19th. Looks like there's an accident on the road here. Whoop whoop! There's a bike coming up, like a Boosaw. Looks like a Boosaw! Bubba Boosaw! Bubba Badass Bubba Boosaw! Sorry, that caused a cough. Slaying down Sunrise Boulevard. No concerns in sight. Yeah, I'm a little crazy today because it was a quiet day at work. Pretty quiet ride in. Pretty quiet ride home till the Boozle showed up. Tomorrow, supposed to be a nice day. Nice day means no rain. Plan is to take the CRFs out, me and Mrs. Smith. And looking forward to that. So, try not to drink too much beer tonight. And today I did not take an Instagram picture because my bike was just parked the same place it's parked all the time. It didn't seem really exciting, so maybe I'll do the old Flashback Friday picture and take what I think is a cool picture from my cross-country trip. I got a million cool pictures because I spent a whole day in the Barber Motorcycle Museum in Birmingham, Alabama. If you've never been there, you should, and you love bikes, you should totally go there because it is freaking awesome. So, alright, with that, peace out. And we're back.
We're back.
We are in Lincoln,
Booming metropolis of Lincoln.
in Placer County, which is starting to get to be a little bit more booming and sprawlerific. We are on our way to where?
A brewery.
Brewery. I can't remember the name of it.
Imagine that.
Goathead?
Goathead.
Goathead Brewery.
Goathead.
Is it Goathead or Goat House?
Goat House.
I think it's okay. Well, we'll find out when we get there.
That's the one with the goat in it.
Yep. So yeah, we were gonna go dirt riding, but we wimped out because we thought it was gonna be too cold. And it might have been cold, you know. I mean, if I had to dirt ride, I could, but I think standing up on those bikes, you know, no wind protection.
Yeah.
I think it would have been.
I didn't know what was going on with that guy.
Yeah, I didn't either. I was like, that guy's gonna lose the battle with us.
What, Mumblemouth?
I said that guy would lose the battle with us.
Yeah.
So this is the old Main Street in Lincoln.
Ye old Main Street.
This is where, this is the old Highway 65 too. Isn't that it? Isn't that the road that goes to Beale? Yeah. There's a few bike dealers here. Clinton's, a Holly place. And then there should
Clinton's
be a place up here that's trike conversions.
Oh yeah, I think that used to at least be on the right hand
Yeah,
side.
there it is. Freedom.
Yeah. Freedom.
Freedomrides.biz. Yeah!
Yeah.
No, this is I think a clay factory, yeah. They got terracotta pipes. And then up here is the mill.
The mill.
I think it's Sierra Pacific. Yep. So we're gonna take a right pretty soon.
Okay.
On Gladding Road.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah. I used to have a project down here. Maybe when we're done I can swing by. It's kind of this weird, lazy-ish right. I guess it's just like any other right.
It's a right.
Except for the giant puddle.
Yeah.
Missing pavement.
I should have zoomed GS through that.
Yeah, you should have. Adventure!
Urban adventure.
Right, there you go. Oh, I gotta stretch. Gotta shake my butt out. Shake my butt.
Shake.
Great.
Probably make you cut that part
That's
out.
like, no way, that's saying it. That's like, my name is Sheikh Zuma. That like ruler, the old schooler. Alright, else pressing?
Not for me.
This brewery has got, I told you, like kind of mini glasses. I think they can only serve like 5-ounce glasses.
Do they do crowlers?
No, I don't think they do anything like that. They might do growlers. I haven't been here in a while.
Huh, okay.
Sad to think we live here long enough. This will probably all be houses.
Yep, yep.
Yep. All right, well, I guess that's it.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot to say, today is, what day is this? Friday. Day 20?
20.
Day 20. I'm 20 for 20.
And I'm 3 weeks for 3 weeks.
Mrs. Smith is 3 weeks for 3 weeks. You have perfect attendance so far.
Yes.
All right, well.
Get an award.
An award, yeah, at the end of the year. You get an award. You can look at your spreadsheet and see you did it.
Yeah.
All right, well, with that.
Peace out.
And we're back.
We're back.
So we are, what's today? The 21st? 21st. I'm 21 for 21 on my riding. Mrs. Smith is doubled up on her week riding because you rode 2 days in a row.
Because why not?
Why not? So if you could have one guess of where we're going, it would be a brewery, probably. And we're going to get beer at, where are we going?
Tilted Mash.
Tilted Mash in Elk Grove. Mrs. Smith does a beer exchange with some peeps that she works with. So we figured we'd get them a crowler. The crowler is like the cans that they can fill up with beer and then seal them up. Not to be confused with the growler, which is the bottle. So,
Indeed.
so I'm riding Betsy, my DFR 2007 Interceptor, and Mrs. Smith is on her
Back on the Black Widow.
Back on the Black Widow because it was the easiest thing probably to get out of the garage, and also because she can plug her heated gear into it. I hooked this bike up for the heated gear, but this is my pretty bike, and I'm not really happy with the way the cords rub all over everything because I have noticed on my NC, and it doesn't make a huge difference, but I can see where the plug is rubbing. So we're on Bradshaw Road, which is the straightest, probably most boring road in Sac County.
But it's different.
Yeah, it's different. At least we're not going the way we usually go. So
Yeah.
could deal with more cagers going this way and more schmuck moves. So anything else you want to add, MRS Smith?
I will just say that my one knee is in pain because my stupid base layer pants have a seam that cuts right across it, so it hurts.
Gotcha. And you wore
But I'm
those
sucking it up and dealing with
You
it.
wore those 2 days in a row, right?
Yeah.
It's probably just
They're warm, but painful.
yeah. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Grow some thicker skin there or something.
Yep.
All right. Well, not too exciting, so I'll just sign off.
Peace out.